Okay, let's take a look at fractions. The first thing you need to know about fractions is that there's a numerator and a denominator. The total number of spaces that an object is divided into is it's going to be the denominator. And in case of this, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 spaces. So our denominator would be 5. The numerator is going to be the number of colored spaces, which is 1, 2, and 3. So our numerator would be 3. So this fraction is 3/5. Let's take a look at our next fraction below. We're going to take out the denominator first. Let's count the total number of spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are double the amount of spaces in our denominator on the first fraction. So our denominator will be 10, and then we're going to count the number of colored spaces or shaded spaces to find our numerator, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Fraction on this would be 7/10. If we want to compare these two fractions, we would have to look at, first of all, you can always look at the picture, and it's clear to see that 7/10 is greater than 3/5. Another way you can do it is you can what we call cross multiply. Okay, so let's try 3/5. And we'll compare that to 7/10. And what you want to do is you always want to start out with the denominator, and this will tell you which one is greater than 5, and you're going to multiply that times 7. So 5 times 7 is 35. And then you'd come up here and you would go 10 times 3, which is 10 times 3. Let me scoot all this over here just a minute. Sorry about that. 10 times 3 will give you a product of 30. So we now can look at these two fractions, and we know that this fraction here is going to be in the 30s, at number 30, and this fraction will give us 35. Therefore, once again, we know that 7/10 is greater than 3/5. And to finish up, we would just find our greater than symbol and insert that like so. And if we're going to read this in a sentence, we would say 3/5 is less than 7/10.